All right, family. We are back. We are back in the business. We are back on a Monday. We are back in a new week. We are back on the charts, in the trenches. Are you ready for a new week? For new setups, for new up and downs, for new high impact news that is going to get into the market this month. So, let's check it out. What the hell is this? You're telling me we have no news at all? No news at all today. How is this possible? So tomorrow we have two high impact news, one medium impact new. ADP weekly employment changes. On Wednesday we have some crucial high impact news. 230 employment cost index, federal funds rate, FOMC, just big FOMC statement. So we're going to check that we are to place all of our trades before this news getting applied, released. But let's go. Let's don't wait too long. Let's dive right into it and check out what the market has to offer for us. Let's start up always with our daily candle. With the daily candle always. So last week, the previous candle made like a really high push and it got rejected at this level and it closed bearish with the long upper wick. The current candle is pushing through the previous high of the daily candle. We are going to mark down our previous high of the daily candle, which was last week Friday. Let me see if this is correct. No, it's not correct. Something like this. Yuna, can you please be more silent? Thanks you. Always going crash out with her little mouse. And it's really loud in the background when she's playing. And she just continue. It's fine. It's just a cat. It's just a baby cat. Okay. So, previous high and previous low, we just marked down. We're gonna delete this. We're gonna clean up. We are still in this uptrend here. In this sideways going uptrend. We are getting close to the trend line. But what I'm seeing here in the daily time frame is that we may be going to slip through this trend line, because for me it looked like we're getting really weak up here. We have many wicks to the upside and also to the downside, which is indication that we are going to get a correct position, correct change of structure, change of character, what I'm talking, sorry. But it's always looking like this. When we have many wicks to the down and many wicks to the up, we're going to expect some changes in the markets, which can hit the market direction at this point. So, for our time frame, still looking the same for me. Also for the moving average, we are still above this line. So we are still in an uptrend. The daily time frame, definitely too. Okay, let's dive deeper into it. Let's see what is going on here in the 1 hour time frame. So let's check the channels, the sessions. I can see here's also a trend line. Something like this. Something like this. This is looking fine for me right here. We have multiple touch points. The last touch point gave us the kick. You know, I have to take away 1 second your mouse, because otherwise you're not going to stop. So, you know, you have to be patient. You have to be patient now. After our trading session, she can go continue play. It's distracting me a lot. So, in the 1 hour, we can mark down some touch points. The first one is here. The second one is here. The third one is here in this area. We have multiple. And the fourth one is just here. The fourth one just closed above the previous 1 hour candle. And the second candle just pushing through the previous daily high of last week, which is really important right now. But this doesn't have to mean anything. The new 30-minute candle open. I want to see the new 30-minute here. We just open and we just push through this EMA line. So we have to keep in mind, we don't have any news today. We have zero impact news. But anyways, there are going to be big market movements. So we are in the 50-minute right now. And what the chart is telling me here, we have to be full patient here. But as a bullish indication, we have a really nice bullish indication just in here, guys. Just in here. I'm going to mark the zone. Look at this. Look at this. We have a valid zone here. We have multiple touch points. Started from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we slip through it. We hit this trend line and directly push through this momentum, through the EMA, which means through the moving average. And now we are forming something like a bullish flag pattern. We are gaining some momentum in here in the market. It's still not confirmed. It's still not confirmed because we have now a second and a third touch. But soon as we're going to break this level up here, we have the opportunity to make a buying order. So let's be fast now. Where we want to set the last goals in here. So the last high was at 18. Up here, let's say we have here a little zone of selling, buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, and the primary one is sitting up here, bro. Like, I cannot imagine to shoot up here today, to be honest. I cannot imagine this, but this was also the last position up there, where we came close to it and got a major rejection. So we're going to mark out the zone also. Like this. And we're going to check 1 hour one again. 1 hour is bullish. 4 hour is still bullish. Okay. Okay. Okay. Okay. So let's be patient with this one. Let's clean up these touch points here from the higher time frames. Let's check the 1 minute time frame. this is definitely looking for me. This is definitely something like a bullish flag pattern. It's always like the long wick, and then we're getting multiple touch points here, and then we make the first push through, and then it's come the breakout. But we still wait because it's Monday, and Monday it's really foolish in the market, so we don't getting trapped into the position. We are going to do this really safe today. As you can see, we closed really bearish. We got a high rejection out of this level. Even when we push through the zone, we have to wait. Maybe we are going to make the next. But this here, I want to see in which session this was created. So, Tokyo pushed the shit out of gold. London made a big bearish move to get a good position. It did get a good position down here. It crashed onto the trend line, and London pushed back to the half. So, when I check the Fibonacci tool, in the Fibonacci tool also, we have a reaction of the 382 zone. I love the Fibonacci tools, always the same. And now London is making a little drawdown. Let's wait for the certain market reaction for a clear breakout here. Because we have many buying indicators. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 big candles, 6, 7, 8 candles. 8 candles, gentlemen. And maybe we are not going to wait that long and making a trading decision really soon. Let me measure the size in case, man, we have to be really cautious now. This is no financial advice at this point. Gold buy now. It's all education purposes. I'm going to buy this in here. So I bought this at 12, at 12.6, around here. Going to set the stop loss at 8, and I'm going to aim for this highs here. Let's say 19. Great, we are shooting up. 13. Let's say first take profit. $14.5 is a really early entry, but for me it's still bullish, so no financial advice at this point. I'm going to make this entry here, going to set my stop losses. Let's see how this is going to play out. So first take profit target, we're going to set at, where's on entry? 12.6. Let's make 14.6. 14.6. The second one. $14.6, 16.6, 18.6, and maybe we have the possibility to aim. Actually, that's fine like this, man. What am I talking about? So 14.6. Come on, let's take the measure out of the zone here. If we can break this level, I will suggest on 24. Let's put it on 24. 24. So our stop loss we are going to put. Let me see where we put our stop loss at 208. 208. Just like this. So let me set up the take profit targets. 4,2, 10,6. 14,6. 10,6. 14,6. Hier auch. Take Profit 14,6. 10,6. 16,6. 10,6. 18,6. 6 und 4, 2, 2, 4. 2, 2, 4. Okay, stop loss also. Let's set a stop loss for 208, and here also for 208. Okay, let's see if we are going to get trapped in this position. If this was a foolish fake breakout, or if we're going to continue. So we can mark out also here from this wick like a trend line that we already break. We are dipping back to the trend line. Let's see if the market wanted to trap us, or if this is a real breakout and this candle is also going to close above this trend line. So we just take it like a man. If we lose this, we lose this. This is what we trade. This is what we bet on. So we aiming for 24 just in here on take profit 4, which is good. Let's set the take profit targets. The first target is on 14.6. 14.6 is just in here. 14.6 somewhere here. Then we have a 16.6 here. Then we have 18.6 just up here. And we have 24, which is up here. And our stop loss is at 4208. Okay, below this zone here. Let's see how this is going to play out. We're going to set our first alarm at this area at 14, just like that. As soon as we hit this, which will be a nice one. Okay, we are dipping inside. Let's see if we can get a good push out of it now. With the 1 minute candle, if it can close above this once, great. Great reaction of the trend line so far. 2 seconds to go. We closed 1, 2, 3, almost three candles we closed above. And this reaction is really great. If we close this one, like really bullish with the long wick, also nice confirmation. But let's see. Let's see what the market is going to do. If the market is going to manipulate us out of the trade and then continue with their up move, can happen. Or if we are going just to hit our take profit targets. So let's set here the first TP1 is here. TP2 is here. And our TP3 is up here. Something like this. And our stop loss is just in here, down here. So something like this. And take profit 4 is up here. TP4. So we can drag this up to our point. As here, 14.6. And now, ladies and gentlemen, we just to have patience. Have patience, have patience, have patience. Let's see if we are going to get stopped out or if we are going to hit our profit targets. That's the business. So we bet basically on the bullish market because of this reaction, because of this previous big candle that pushed out, and then the second one, and then maybe, okay, we got a little bearish move, but we still continue with some bearish movement, with some bullish movement. And we have also some reaction on this trend line here. So for me, there's still indication for buyers are in the market and they are gonna get activated soon. We have here slightly maybe a head and shoulders pattern looking for me like this. Shoulder, head, shoulder. But we are rejecting the shoulder pattern. Seems like this. We are rejecting the shoulder pattern because we are really bullish, still really bullish. Let's see. Let's see, family, let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay, let the market do its moves. Okay, don't get too overexcited of any win or any loss. Just let the market do its move. All right, I'll be right back. We are inside the position, so let's see. Oops, what happened here? Take profit one hit. Take profit one just got hit, guys. I didn't even have time on the toilet. Great. TP1 hit, guys. Take the profits in. We're shooting up once again. We are shooting up with the insane prediction of a trade, which is great. So it's depending on you if you are going to close more positions here. I'm going to play this safe this time, guys. I am going to play this really safe. I'm gonna take my stop loss a little bit closer. I'm setting myself now on full break even actually. 13,72. 13,72. 1 second. Stop loss here and the second one also. 13,72. I am already on full break even, guys. I am already on full break even. So, congratulations for the people who took this trade with me. We got this insane push. Let's see if we're going to push further up or not. Break even is set. So we can mark out this level here. Take profit one just got hit. TP1 just got hit. Just like that. And let's see what the market is going to do. If it's just a little spike and then reversing because we are about to open the New York session. Or if we are going to shoot further up. So for the rest, it's depending on you, how you're going to adjust your stop losses here. The amount of risk you want to have in this trade. For me, it's Monday. It's the first day in the week. I'm not going to risk a lot. As you can see, we're doing already like a huge spike to the upside. And we're getting a big rejection. And we was about to hit my break even. But once again, guys, we predict this move. Once again, we predict this move. And this is already a winning trade for me because I set my break even. I set me on break even. There is nothing I can lose now. So we can change the winning streak to 2 winning trading setups because I cannot lose anymore. So let the trade basically do its thing. Let the business rolling in. Let the buyers pushing the markets. But it was a great shot. It was a great shot actually. That just bring us to take profit one. And break even hit for me, guys. I'm out. I am out. For those who still have like a really wide stop loss, you can still decide if you want to be in this position or not. For me, I'm out. Break even hit. So we took some little profits out of this and I securely closed some more positions when we was up here in this level. And I am not going to do any re-entries here because still, guys, we have Monday and still we are about to open the New York session in 4 minutes. And the New York session as we know, love to manipulate the market. They love to hunt the early buyers. And the New York session is really important. They love to hunt the early buyers, get them out of the trade, and then continue with the up push or with the sell. So it's depending on you guys. Oops, sorry. So it's totally on you guys. If you want to make a re-entry, if your stop loss is still wide, me, I am already out of this trade because I want to play it extra safe today. It's not because of fear of losing, it's because of, first of all, Monday, and the second, the New York session is going to open in 2 minutes, which can impact a high manipulation on the market. That's the reason. 2 reasons. That's the reason why I just set directly on break even. Even when this trade is going to push all the way up, I'm not going to be pissed off because I'm missing out TP1, TP2, TP4. That's a part of the business. That's a part of the business. I have no rush. You know, I have no rush in trading. I don't have to be a millionaire tomorrow. I have time for this. I have time and dedication. I have the commitment to stick on my plans. I have the commitment to be patient with my trading strategy. And this is all about in trading. As soon as you have a plan, as soon as you know how to manage and adjust your risk management, there is nothing that can stop you in trading. Nothing. So stop loss, we can take it out because we hit already our break even. But this kind of rejection we're getting right now for the people who are still inside the trade is really, really good because we're pushing up. And if we are able in 30 seconds to make exactly this move here and close like this, there is still a high chance to push further up for the rest. Jerry, are you inside this trade currently? Or are you already out? If you are here, of course, Jerry. Three seconds to go. Great push. Let's see. Let's see New York. What do you have to do? What is New York going to do? New York is going to push. Or not. New York is pushing down, going with the bearish movement. And this is the reason, guys. This is the reason why I go extra safe in this trade. You see this? What is New York doing right now? Look at this. New York is hunting. New York is hunting the early buyers, as I just predicted. Look at this. Look at this. If our stop loss was still here, we was already out now. We was at 2.8. We was at 2.8 and our stop loss about to hit. And it was hit now. You see, that's the reason why I just set directly on break even. This is a really nice educational video. This is the reason why I set my break even instantly, because New York is going to hunt the early buyers. And what they did, they just get out all of these people who was just sitting inside here, with their entries. They killed the early buyers. This is a perfect video now, man. I'm so grateful that I made this decision stick to my plan, check the risks on the market, and the risk was we had 3 minutes or 4 minutes to go for New York to opening, and we said no, after take profit 1, instantly stop loss on break even, and we just made it. And now, as you can see with this move here, New York open, instantly they go bearish, they hunt for the early buyers. They got the early buyers, and let's see what they are going to do next. So what I predict is they're going to go maybe further down or slipping in more in this area or in this range, and then continue maybe with the up push. Because I have seen this move of New York so many times. I am aware of New York. New York have like really strong volume. The capacity to move the market like a rubber band as they want. And I'm happy, guys, to know these moves of New York session. You see what they are doing. They distribute, they manipulate the market like insane. So, as I said before, this is the reason, guys, why I set my break even instantly, my stop. This is the reason why I instantly set my stop loss on break even. Because as I said before, New York loves to hunt the early buyers and get them out of the trades. But we are fine, guys. We made our profit for today. It was not a lot, but we made some profits, and this is the most important, even if it's a little. We catch up with our risk management. We didn't risk nothing almost at this point. We instantly set break even and we are out. We just make one take profit. It's okay. It's fine. But I also not going to trade more today. That's it for me. Take profit. This was our shot. This was our one shot that we had today. Onur, kanalına şimdilik denk geldim. Yeni bir kanal hayırlı olsun. Ben de yeni başlıyorum sayılırım. Birkaç aydır çalışıyorum ve altın trading ilgimi çekiyor. Beğeni ve subscribe yaptım. ATB 7048 çok teşekkür ederim kardeşim. Hoş geldin benim kanalıma. İnşallah sen de biraz İngilizce anlıyorsundur. Çünkü çok İngilizce konuşuyorum. Benim Türkçem o kadar iyi değil. Ama kanka çok sevindim ilgin olduğu için. Perfect. We can continue in English from now. Great. I'm happy for you that you found me and that you found this channel. And yeah, welcome to the channel. We have big plans. Yeah, man, my English is pretty good. No problem. Okay, ATB. So my recommendation for you is also to join my Telegram channel. Go check my YouTube. In my YouTube, I have an invite link for the Telegram, because on YouTube live stream, maybe we have like 5 seconds delay. And I share all my buy and sell signals in this Telegram channel. And this channel is still for free. But soon as we hit 250 subscribers on this channel is going to get closed. And all the people who are coming after the 250 subscribers have to pay a monthly subscription. But not for the people who came first, you know? So you basically have then a lifetime access before we are going to blow off in the market, in the marketing. Go and save your spot in the Telegram channel, and you have also no delay with my signals. But hopefully you understand what I just did here in the market. I instantly closed my position. After I hit take profit 1, I set my stop loss on break even, because we had 4 minutes about to open the New York session. And the New York session loved to manipulate the market and go and hunt for the early buyers. And they just did. They hunt the early buyers. And now maybe they are going to continue with their up push. But that's it. Oh, I'm glad. I'm lucky then. Joining a Telegram now. Great. Great, great, great. ATB, thank you so much for the support. So we're doing this daily. Every day in the week, we are going to live stream for a certain time. What we're doing basically is now we build a history of my trading quality on YouTube, because every live stream is going to get saved as a video also on my channel. So people can say, okay, this guy knows how to trade. This is the first thing I'm doing. It's like building my history, my sharing my education, my knowledge that I've gained over some years, and how I'm getting profitable with insane and really important decision that I'm doing in the markets. Yeah, man, I'm glad I encountered your channel this early, as my journey is starting to really, really great. So how long you've been trading now, ATB? Like, did you just start now, or do you have like basic knowledge about trading, about break even, stop losses, take profit targets? Are you trading futures, or also are you trading gold? But I think you said already you're just trading gold. So I can give you really quick some basic information about gold, if you want, of course. I would say I started 2 months ago from zero. I have experimented with small numbers just to get into the feeling of trading. Okay, all right. Then you're here just on the golden address, my friend. I'm gonna take you on my hand and I'm gonna help you to improving your trading, because you just saved your lifetime access in my Telegram group and in my community. So lucky for you. If you have any question about trading, about psychology, about risk management, about anything, feel free to ask me in the chat and I'm going to help you, because I want that my community is going to win and be successful in trading as me. Man, I'm really so proud that I just get out of this trade as soon as I hit my take profit one. That I instantly hit the break even, because New York is manipulating, devastating the market right now. And I don't like to sit in the position before I don't know what New York is going to do. Haha, thanks, Onur. Yeah, I have engineering degree, and I would say we are in similar ages, living in Istanbul currently, but hopefully we'll change it with trading. Great, my friend. I have a lot of family in Istanbul. All my mother's side is on Istanbul. In Hasköy they are living currently. And I am currently living in Germany, in Cologne. But I'm happy for you, bro, that you find trading and that you just find this channel. So be aware, trading is not like an easy business, ATB. Like, trading is the hardest business in the world, because we are competing against the most smartest people in the world, against the biggest banks, about politicians and stuff like this. So we are just like a cat sitting on a tap and trying to get a little bit of water, just a little bit, just a sip of it. And this is the profit we are taking. Just the little moves in the market is what we're catching. Exactly. I'm happy that you're aware of this. We are trading against people who are trying to get our money. Exactly. Exactly. That's what's up. Yeah. But gold versus US dollar is a really stable currency, I would say. Currency versus futures, because soon as there's something good happening with currency, gold is going to drop. Is there something bad about currency, and is there news about war and scary and fear, gold is going to raise. It's that simple. And as soon as you understand this, it's really, really easy. actually. So the strategy we are using, my friend, we have like multiple strategies that we are using in my trading. The multiple strategies just depending on the market, like the market condition. What is the market giving me today? If the market is giving me like here some breakout structures with good push before, I'm going to trade the breakout. If we have like a high rejection out of a support and demand zone, I'm going to maybe trade the support and demand, or support and resistance, or the zone of interest. Other people call it zone of interest. But that's actually it for me today, because ATB, we have Monday. Monday is the most shitty day I can say to trade in the markets, in the trenches. And we just made a little bit of profit before the New York session open, and New York is going to manipulate here. As you can see, it's manipulating a lot. They directly hunt the early buyers, and if we didn't set on break even, we hit the stop loss, but luckily we didn't. So we see each other tomorrow, I guess, in the same time, maybe a little bit more early. Maybe I want to catch tomorrow some London moves that they were doing. I'm glad I have encountered your channel. Thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. This means a lot for me, because I'm putting my heart in this. I'm sharing so many important information about trading, because I want that the people also grow, and that they have maybe a mentor who helping them to go through this hell, man. Because trading is basically hell when you don't have nobody. And I learned myself all of this by myself most of the time. I never paid like any mentor to explain me how the market is working. I was losing and losing and losing and losing and losing and losing for years, man. I had depression because of this business, man. This business got the last juice out of my soul. I can call it like this. Trading is a hard business, but as soon as you have it, you have the freedom in your head. As soon as you have this, as soon as you understand trading, you can take your MacBook, you can go and book a flight, you can go sit somewhere on the other side of the world, and you can try it easily on the beach, drinking a coconut. This is what about trading is, and this is what we want to reach. But ATB, thank you for being here. I'm going to close the live stream, because we do always just one shot. Sometimes we do a second one, but not today, not on a Monday. Not on a manipulative market, as you can see here today. Is really, really high manipulation right now with a lot of volume. So tomorrow I'm back. I wish you a good day, my friend. Don't risk more on the markets today, as my recommendation and tip for you. And we're going to see each other tomorrow. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. I will keep educating myself. Really great. Really, really great, my friend. So bye-bye, love is out. For the guys who are seeing this video, go and subscribe my channel. Go and check out the Telegram channel, where I'm sharing my daily signals, so you don't have any delay of my signals that I'm sharing daily. No financial advice at this point. I'm not responsibility for any losses or wins or anything. You have to manage your capital and your risks by yourself. This is only for education purposes, so be aware of the risks in trading. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye. Love is out. I wish you a great day and keep hustling. Thank you so much, ATB. So, bye-bye. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye.